Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and I've subscribed to OK Beauty Box. It's got my address on the back here. If you're new to this beauty box and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Since OK Beauty started doing these subscription boxes, I've dipped in and out of them. Some months are better than others, but for £15, you are guaranteed, I believe they say on the website, a minimum value of at least £80 or more. While I was away recently, I saw an offer. If I was to subscribe this month, then I will receive a free beauty box with it as well, up to a value of £93. But unfortunately, when I came home from holiday, this box is here, but no freebie box. I posted up a little video on all my socials, you might have seen it, asking anyone that has taken advantage of this offer this month to let me know if you received your box or if you didn't, and it seems like I was the odd one out. All of you received your free box, okay. I got in touch with OK Beauty and they apologised, they were really lovely, and they said they can't send it out to me as an additional box, but they'll add it to my August subscription box, so I'll just have it a month late, which is fine. Plus, as well as having a free beauty box with your subscription box, the cost of the first box is only £4.95 as opposed to £15, which is monthly. So yeah, so it's a really great incentive to get you in there, isn't it? Definitely. So I'm going to carry on subscribing now for the next couple of months and see where we go. Currently, they only ship within the UK, Channel Islands and Northern Ireland. There's free shipping within the UK. It's £4.99 shipping to Northern Ireland and it's £9.99 shipping to the Channel Islands. You are able to purchase past boxes on their website and they bring out limited editions, and they've just recently brought out a summer limited edition. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and links to the website as well, so you're welcome to take a look if you're interested in this for yourself. So inside you'll find a minimum of 5 beauty products, anything beauty related, plus you'll get a little leaflet, a voucher then, with 2 little vouchers that you can cut out, which will entitle you to receive 2 OK magazines for free. So you're getting a monthly magazine subscription as well as a monthly beauty box. It's just you've got to take the voucher into your nearest newsagent or supermarket to redeem. So that's quite good. You are able to skip any month, cancel any month. In order to access your account, if you want to pause or cancel your subscription, you need to create a specific account with them. So when you first subscribe, you might already think, right, I have got an account, but you haven't. You have to actually go in to the OK Beauty website and create an account. You'll be able to access it and change it if you need to. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their July box. A little sneak peek. Get a card, details everything about the products. And this is the leaflet that has the vouchers to redeem for a OK magazine subscription, which I'm assuming comes out fortnightly. Yeah, enjoy not 1 but 2 copies of OK magazine. And those are the items inside, all hidden amongst the paper there. Okay, so has this month got a theme? Sunny Delights. It says head over to our blog for more skincare and beauty top tips and tricks, and you're able to scan the QR code there. Okay, starting off we've got a Gatinier Paris. This is an exfoliating PHA and BHA Glow Tonic, and there's 13 mils here. I've started seeing more and more from this range on different beauty websites. Is it Glow? There's a little leaflet here. It doesn't say much about it though. I've got a few little samples ready to try, and yeah, I wonder if it is like a new range from Gatinier Paris, maybe a Glow range or something, because they're all in this orange sort of packaging. But see what it says here. This is a travel size and it's worth £8. Say hello to glowing skin with this wonder water. It contains 2 different exfoliating acids plus hydrating hyaluronic acid to leave your complexion looking smoother, fresher and more radiant. So there's that. Next we've got a volumizing mascara from Bellapierre. I haven't received Bellapierre products for a long time. There was a time, maybe a couple of years ago, that this brand was doing its rounds in different subscription boxes. And yes, some products are great. Lipsticks, amazing. Long-lasting matte lipsticks, I remember, really great. Eyeshadows and things like that. But But yeah, it's been a while since I last received something. The big blob on the end there. Can't remember if I've tried this before or not. This is full size and it's worth £19.99. Even if you're a makeup minimalist, a quick coat of black mascara can instantly make your face look more defined. This one has a volumizing formula to create fluttery lashes, and this full size tube will last you for months. So we've got mascara. Next we've got a sunscreen which I really like. This is by Polar. This is Fluid Solaire 50 plus UVA and UVB sun protection. There's 20 mils here and it's fragrance free. I really like this. I've tried it a few times from different beauty boxes and yeah, I do really like it. This is a travel size and it's worth £9. A high factor SPF should always be on the last step in any morning skincare routine, whatever the weather, but it's especially important in summer. The facial sun cream is perfect for everyday use, whether you're heading to the office or the beach. It's cabin baggage friendly too. Yeah. Next, we've got a Wild Science Lab Juice Boost Brightening Serum, Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid. It recharges skin tone, vitality and radiance. And there's 10 mils there. This is a travel size and it is worth £11. Make this super serum the next step in your quest for gorgeously glowing skin this summer. It's made up of a cocktail of powerful plant-based active ingredients such as vitamin C, sweet almond oil and aloe vera, and has a silky hydrating texture. So we've got a serum there. And then lastly, we've got an Avant product. This is a lip balm. A hyaluronic cocoa shea butter tocopherol argan, 10 mils. There's that. Pricey brand. How much is this then? This is £56 and it's full size. Whether you keep yours in your handbag, next to your bed or in the office desk, having a good lip balm always on hand is a must. Made with hyaluronic acid and kapoku butter, this lip treatment really feels like luxe skincare, sinking in and immediately hydrating. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's OK Beauty subscription box. The cost of the box is £15. It has a value, I'd be able to tell you actually. Hold on, how much is this one worth this month? This month's box has a value of £104. I paid £4.95 for it, and I will be getting my free box with my August subscription box, so definitely worth it for me. But if I was a regular subscriber, paid £15, what would my thoughts be? Looking at the products, I've had this lip balm before, I might still already have it. Avant is a controversial brand. We seem to see it a lot in different subscription boxes, but the price tag is, well, £56 for a lip balm. Moisturisers, you're talking about £98 or more. So it's a pricey brand, but we see them in all beauty boxes and they're always discounted on different websites as well. You know, it makes you question the brand then, doesn't it? It's like, okay, so how are they making their money? But anyway, regardless of that, the actual products themselves, some are really great. I do really like it. I even took their night cream on holiday with me. I do really like it, but some not so great. So yeah, it's just a controversial brand, that's all, but we do see it a lot in different beauty boxes and I've probably already got that. Had this before numerous times, but I love it, so really happy with this. This Glow Tonic sounds amazing. I have got a few little minis to try from this brand. I might already have this, but I need to go through my ready to test and try products. But yeah, I do like this brand, so that sounds lovely. Wild Science Serum as well. It's a sort of new brand for me. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, so sounds great. And yeah, Bellapierre mascara. Mascaras are hit and miss for me. I'm very fussy. So I'm anticipating I won't like it because that's just me. I've got no lashes. I wear fake lashes a lot. If I love a mascara, you will know about it because I will love it and I'd be just so ecstatically happy. But looking at the brush, I don't know, but I could be pleasantly surprised. Who knows? So yeah, not a bad box this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a regular subscriber? How does it compare to previous boxes? What do you think of this subscription in general? Do you like the idea that I'm going to be subscribing for the next couple of months? Or are you new to the subscription? What's your thoughts? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.